Before you get to your members area, I want to make this even more profitable for you by giving you complete ownership and source file access to every one of the 7 complete product funnels. While MinuteKit's done-for-you setup makes these funnels really fast, it's only really that fast because instead of using your own sales buttons and adding your name to the products, you're using the pre-built systems that we've set up and created in our JVZoo account, and they go out with my name, my email, and my branding. And so while this makes it really easy for anyone to just get set up fast, everyone knows the most successful people in these online marketplaces aren't always the affiliates, it's the product creators. On this page, I want to give you everything you need to be your own product creator. We'll give you private label rights to all 7 funnels, all of the video scripts, the source documents, the emails, the graphic files, the funnel magnets, upsells, downsells, and the offers that you can customize, add your own buy buttons, and sell at whatever price you like. We'll even unlock editing permissions for the lead magnet pages themselves, so you can add, edit, customize each one to suit your brand and become an instant expert in 7 highly sought after fields. Our drag and drop page builder makes customizing your funnel a breeze, and it puts product ownership in your hands faster. You can read more about this offer below, but read quick. This discount is only valid on this page right now. If you close this page, the offer is going to be gone forever. So even if you're slightly interested, I encourage you to take advantage of this offer today. This is your chance to instantly and automatically become a product owner of 7 highly prized entire funnel systems that you can use to build a steadily growing product sales income. So there's only one thing left to do. Click the button below to claim your discounted MinuteKit source bundle today. Thank you for watching and being part of this exciting project.